Lolapalooza 2019 update. That's right. It's gonna be here like in a week and a half, something like that. But I got something for I hadn't figured out. I've been talking to Lola. Oh, Lola, you told me to tell you hi. Hi, Lola. Yeah, Lola puts this on. You can find her, Lost on Land again. I'll leave a link to her at the end, and I'll leave it down in the comments. Another thing about Lolapalooza 2019, it's a big camping out meetup in North Texas. We got way over 100 people coming out there. It's going to be an awesome event. I'll talk to you about one thing that the people that are going, if they want to be involved with this with me, we'll make videos together. Yeah, just trying to figure out when we're going to do it. I'll talk about that in just a second. Give me a second to remember what I'm on here telling you. Hang on. So I have a cook with some stuff here from unclestevesshake that I want to talk to you about. And I have enough for like 6 people, 8 people to cook and use these awesome items I'm fixing to show you. And we're going to videotape it all. All of us will. But I will for sure. Another thing, I have a playlist that actually right now is called Lolapalooza 2019. That's going to be the hashtag I will use. And for you older people, it'll be pound Lolapalooza 2019. That's right. I'm kind of in between the old and the young. So sometimes I call it hashtag, sometimes I call it Lolapalooza. No, I don't. Sometimes I call it hashtag, sometimes I call it pound. Oh my. It's been a long 2 hours talking to Lola. What do you get when you come out to Lolapalooza? You get stickers from people. Look at that. This one here, papatexas. What else are some people going to get? Some of them going to get this pen. It's got a stylus on the end. I had to learn what a stylus was. Yeah. And it says, it says somewhere in there, you can't see it. It says papatexas, YouTube, Instagram. It's a really cool pen. I got about 60 of these going out. What else do we got? See this? Can you see that? Got a couple unclestevesshake caps gonna be out there to give away. And here's another thing. Gonna have some unclestevesshake hat pins. Well, I guess you could put it in your ear. Yeah. They're going to be out there too. Here's what we're going to do. So, I welcome people to let me know. If you're going to be at Lolapalooza 2019, I'll be there for 11 days. Just let me know. I want to plan a day, kind of about, let's do it about 2:30. 6, 8 people that want to bring their cookers over and we all cook together and videotape it all together. And let's do some chicken wings or some boneless chicken if that's what you prefer. And what we're going to do is we're going to put some gator shake on it or put some spicier, Papa. Yeah, unclestevesshake. And then mine take 2 hours to cook because I offset cook on the Weber kettle. That's right. So I got time to walk around and videotape y'all doing your cook and talk about your channel. I'll come up and say, hey, what's your channel about? Let's look at your cook, making video about it. But at the end, Uncle Steve, who may show up to Lolapalooza 2019, he's thinking about it. He'll be staying over there at my campsite. Strong's Adventures on one side of me, and Revel RV Girl is on the other side of me. That's right. She'll probably be in this cook. She should be. Alright. So, unclestevesshake homemade a barbecue sauce. I have about 5, 6 of these bottles. And what you'll do at the end of your cook with one of those shakes, unclesteveshakes, you apply it and let it just go into it. We pull them off, we eat them all, and make a video talking about them because them awesome. They're gonna be some of the most awesome wings or boneless chicken things you ate. I promise you, and they'll be fantastic, fun videos. So, if you want to be a part of this, if you're going to Lolapalooza, leave comments down below. We'll get all connected. Try to figure out what night it is. Let me know what night or what day you're showing up, and we'll try to figure out how we're going to do this, when we're going to do this. That's what I can't figure out. Or text me. A lot of y'all are texting me, but let's group together and figure it out. I'm sorry about the rest of y'all. I just had to make this real quick. Can't wait. I'll be there way before y'all. If you're not going to Lolapalooza, or if you are, I have a playlist. A lot of people's channels videos will be in Lolapalooza 2019 playlist. You can check on them. During the 11 days I'm there, I'm probably not going to post a video or talk about Lolapalooza or put anything in there. I'll be doing that stuff after I get back. But you're welcome to join Lost on Land Again, or whoever else makes playlist. Lost on Land Again, Lola, she will probably have everybody in hers. I'll have specifics in mine. That's just the way it goes. Alright? It's Papa. Papa, Texas. The Big W made me that. His link's down below too. See ya.